Hello boys and girls! Welcome to my beauty salon!
Hello Jennifer, I need a haircut.
Your hair is really long. But don't worry, my electric razor is here. Hi Jen, I need a hairstyle for my party tonight. Okie doke Lucy, but first I have to finish with Lolo hairstyle. Would you wait? Okie doke. Get some magazine. Ooh la la!
Awesome, I like my hair.
Yippee! Don't forget your hat, Logan.
Thank you, Jen. But I don't need it anymore. Have a nice day.
Welcome, Lucy. It's your turn. Wow, you got amazing hair. First, I will put a spray for easy combing. Then, I will comb your hair. I will divide the hair into two parts and hold the top with hairpins. I will take the curling iron and to put a lock of hair inside and curl it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ta-da! And now I will do the same with the rest of the hair. With the top of your hair, I will make a beautiful braid. You're almost ready. Now you're ready for a party. Oh, wow! I like my new hairstyle. Thank you, Jennifer. You're welcome. Bye. Well, it's time to see your curls, Chloe. Oh wow! I like my new hair so much! Thank you, Jennifer! Well, Jen, how much is my new hairstyle? Only $50. Okie dokie, where is my bag? Aha! Okay. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Here they are. Again, thank you so much, Jen. You're welcome, Chloe. Bye. Bye-bye. Hooray! It's time for my break. Fresh orange juice. Cheers! So refreshing. Bye-bye, kids.